Hello children, once again welcome to my channel. In this video I will share a very interesting Vedic math trick which is division by 9. Here we will not do the traditional method or long division method, but we will use shortcut or the trick to do the division by 9. So let us start. So the first example is 134 divided by 9. First we will write 134 in this way and the first digit just below 1. Now we will add the next digit which is 3 here. We'll add 1 plus 3. So it gives us 4. We'll write below 3. Now again we'll add the next digit to this 4, which is the next digit is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we don't have anything to add. So 8 is the remainder and 14 is the quotient. So we can also write it as 14.8. The remainder will be written as 14.8. Now moving on to another example, 2131 divided by 9. So let us write 2131 in this way as I have shown you in example 1. Now we'll write the first digit 2 just below. Now we'll add the next digit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now again we will cross add it. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Again cross add it. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we don't have anything to add, so 7 is the remainder. So quotient is 236 and remainder is 7. Very easy. You can also write it as 236.7. Moving on to another example, 524 divided by 9. So first let us write 524 in this way. Now we'll write the first digit just below 5 and then we will cross add with the next digit, which is 2 here. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 7 plus 4 is, that is we add the next digit 4, which is 11. So 11 is the remainder because nothing is to be added. But is 11 the remainder? Because no. Because 11 is greater than 9. We are dividing by 9. 11 is greater than 9. So 9 cannot be the, 11 cannot be the remainder. So what we do is we subtract 9 from the remainder. And since we are subtracting 9 from the remainder, we will add 1 to this quotient. So we'll subtract 9 from 11 and we will add 1 to the quotient. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Now 2 is the remainder. Now 57 plus 1 is 58. So quotient is 58 and 2 is the remainder which we get after subtracting 9 from 11. And why do we subtract 9? Because 11 is greater than 9. So we can write it as 58.2. Moving on to another example, 3421 divided by 9. So first we arrange it in this way and then we write the first digit just below the first digit. Then we cross add with the next digit. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Now again we add with the cross add with the next digit. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. Now again 10 is greater than 9. So what we do? We subtract 9 from 10 and we add 1 to the quotient. That is 379 plus 1. So we get 380 as quotient and 10 minus 9 is 1. So we can write this as 380.1. It's very easy. Once you know the method, very easy. Don't have to do by long division. Now we divide 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 9. So first we'll write the first digit just below 3. So let us cross add it. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. So how do we write 12? 12, the last digit or the first digit, we write 2 here and 1 on the left hand side just below 7. So this is how we write 12. The ones digit we write it here, 2 and 1 we write it below 7. That is on, we write it on the left hand side. Now we add 12 with 6. That is the next digit. We don't add just 2. We will add 12. Keep this thing in your mind. So 12 plus 6 is 18. Now again we write 8 here, not, and 1 will be below 2. Now again we will add 18 because 12 plus 6 gave us 18. So 18 plus 7 is 25. Now you can see 25 is greater than 9, definitely. Now we will add this. Suppose here we get 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 3 we get as it is. Now we see that remainder is greater than 9, definitely. But if we subtract 9 25 minus 9 gives us 16. So 16 is again greater than 9. So what we do, we will subtract 9 two times. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So 25 minus 18. Now since we are subtracting 9 two times, we will add 2 here to the quotient. Again I repeat, we have got the remainder as 25, but 25 is greater than 9. But if we subtract only 9 from 25, we get 16. So we subtract 18, that is we subtract 9 two times. So if we subtract 9 two times, we subtract 25 minus 18, which gives us 7. Now 7 is less than 9, so 7 is the remainder. Now since we are subtracting 9 two times, we add 2 instead of 1, which we were usually doing in the earlier examples. Now we are adding 2 to the quotient. So 3838 plus 2 gives us 3840. So 3840 is the quotient and remainder is 7. So which gives us 3840.7. So this is how we work out division by 9. Very easy trick. Once you practice, you will be used to it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my Vedic math tricks, do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon because I will keep uploading more videos. Bye bye. Have a great time.